Hello everyone, I hope that you're having a great time. At this video at LearnTech, I'm going to show you how you can download Google Chrome for Windows 10. When you buy for the first time a computer or a laptop, there is only one browser installed and is Internet Explorer or Edge, which is from Microsoft. So in order to download Google Chrome, you just have to open this existing browser in your computer, which in my case, let's say it's Microsoft Edge, and you search here download Google Chrome English for Windows, and then you can open the website google.com. I will put the link on the description below so you can come directly on the website of Google Chrome and you can download this browser. In case that you want to change the default language of Google Chrome, you just have to scroll down till the end of the website, and where you will find here the language, which in this case is English, United States. If you want to change it, you can go to Deutschland, for example, or whatever language you want to have. Then you just have to click over the button here, which is download Chrome. You click over here and then the setup will start downloading. It will show over here the executable file of Google Chrome. I just have to open the file, or you can browse to the downloads folder. I'm here on the downloads folder of my computer and I just have to double click over the executable file of Chrome setup, and then the installation of Google Chrome will start. So downloading, 6 seconds remaining, so it will not take a lot of time to download and to install Google Chrome. Now Google Chrome is installing. So here we are, Google Chrome is installed now. If you want to make Google Chrome the default browser, you just have to search here default apps, and then you will come here on the default apps, and from here you can define at web browser Google Chrome or whatever browser that you want to be as the default browser. If you want to pin at the taskbar Google Chrome, you just have to click with the right of the mouse over the logo of Google Chrome here, and then you click pin to taskbar, and then it will be on the taskbar Google Chrome. So like you see here, Google is now on the taskbar of my computer. Basically, that's all that you have to do in order to download Google Chrome and to make it as a default browser or to pin it at the taskbar of your computer. Thanks a lot for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. Wish to you all the best. Thank you.